Welcome to Information and Communications Technology for Junior Secondary School 2. Today we shall be looking at the topic computer hardware. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify and state the functions of the following computer hardware. 1. Monitor. 2. Printer. 3. Keyboard. 4. Mouse. 5. Microphone or speaker. And 6. Scanner. Computer hardware. The physical part of a computer are referred to as the hardware, which primarily consists of the system unit and other peripheral devices, for instance, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and so on. Computer hardware, usually called computer hardware when a computing context is implicit, is the collection of physical elements that constitute a computer system. Computer hardware is the physical part or components of a computer, such as the monitor, the mouse, the keyboard, computer data storage, hard disk drive, system units such as the graphic cards, sound cards, memory, motherboard and chips, and so on. All of these which are physical objects that can be touched. That is, they are tangible. Let's look at the monitor. A computer monitor is a display adapter that displays information processed by the computer's video card. When a video card or graphic card converts binary information from ones and zeros into images, these images are displayed onto the directly connected monitor. As you can see, displayed on your screen is an example of a monitor. Let's look at a printer. On your screen is an example of a printer. A printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfer the information to paper. That is physical evidence of your work, usually to standard size sheets of paper. Now let us look at a keyboard. On your screen is a display of the keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. It is the primary device used to enter text. A keyboard typically contains keys for individual letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as keys for special functions. The mouse. Displayed on your screen is an example of an external wireless mouse. A mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel, which can also act as a third button. It is used to point, click, and select text, pictures, and so on your screen. It points and clicks on icons, menus, command buttons, or activates something on a computer. Microphone or speaker. Displayed on your screen is an example of a speaker. The microphone or speaker, the input voice or sound records and also listen to sound music. The scanner. Displayed on your screen is an example of a scanner. A scanner is a digital device that converts films, documents, and photographic prints to digital images. A scanner is a device that captures image from photographic prints, posters, magazine pages, and similar sources for computer editing and display. Scanners come in handheld, feed-in, and flatbed types, and for scanning black and white only or colored. Let us look at some examples of internal hardware. Let's look at the hard drive, the external hard drive. That is what is being displayed on your screen. And let us look at the CPU, that is the central processing unit. It's also being displayed on your screen for you to see. Let's look at the computer fan. That is what you are seeing on the screen. And lastly, let's look at the motherboard. Also, it's being displayed on your screen. All these are examples of internal hardware. Other examples of internal hardware not discussed earlier on are the RAM. The picture is being displayed on your screen. The sound card. Again, the picture is being displayed for you to see. And we have the gamepad. Picture is displayed on the screen for you to see. The gamepad is used mostly for controlling computer games in the computer system. It is time for some evaluation questions. The first question is this: what are computer hardware? The second question: which of these is not a computer hardware? A. Joystick. B. Gamepad. C. Mouse. D. Keyboard. And F. Antivirus. Question 3. Define a monitor. Question 4. Define a printer. And question 5. Define a scanner. It's glad to see that you have listened to this lesson to the end. I want to thank you for listening. I will see you in the next class.